Okay, hello there. Right, so I'm gonna be explaining how Finder time delay works. This is gonna be for the heating application. So this model is what you can see in here. Obviously, you can pause and check it. Righty, so here's our instruction, which wasn't really clear to me. Now we've got two time selections. So if we check in the English explanation of that, we've got A, time scale, which is that bit here, and number two is time setting. For some people it might be, obvious straight away, but it wasn't really for me. In Polish, that explanation is a little bit different. So instead of time setting, in Polski we've got regulacja opóźnienia, which means time delay. And that added to confusion altogether. Now, all right, so how it works is that you first setting, the one on the top, you get the kind of range, and the second one is just selection. So you need to really look at this thing here. So if you're gonna select 20 seconds, you can see the range is minimum to 1 second and the maximum 20 seconds. So there you go. if I want to set like, I don't know, 16 seconds, I'll just get it 20 seconds on the top one. So let's do that. And it doesn't really matter if it's gonna be slightly like that or like that. It's toggled, so you can feel that it's just clicking in. You see? Now it's in the setting. And once you've got this setup, then you've got your range in here. So from 1 to 20. So we are in the 20 seconds. So if I'm gonna set 5 seconds, it's gonna be about 5 seconds in here. Now, what setting? Now this wasn't really too clear for me as well. So I still don't know what this bit is. That's a bit that no for me. That's the last section, the last bit in each diagram. But okay, so this is without the signal. So you've got only power, neutral, neutral in, live in. And then you've got your common, normally open. Sorry, this is normally open, normally closed, and common, right? So this is gonna be like delayed switching on setting. So AI on delay. So obviously you get the powering. You'll power that on that timer, and it will wait a little bit for your set time, and then it will switch on. So there is your power. So you switch it on. You see there's like a arrow, the starting point.